Hello, and thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install the new insulative protective grill cover made by xfabion.com for the Botron Intelligent Ionizer number B496201. You'll notice if you flip your grill cover around, there are three tabs. There's one on each side and one at the top, but there is not one at the bottom, so that indicates that is the bottom. To install this unit, you simply place it above the metal grill cover, pressing down with your thumbs where the side tabs are, and placing your index fingers at the top, and you simply slide it down into place. Occasionally, one of these metal grills will not want to snap into the side tab, as mine does, so you take a small screwdriver and simply lift it right up in there gently, and it will fall right into place. Once installed, these are very sturdy. I hope that helps you guys, and you can always visit us at xfabion.com or xfabion.store, where you can find all of our contact information, and feel free to call us anytime. Have a great day.